Good morning, this Tuesday, the 3rd of October. I'm Sam Kanan, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Before we dive into the morning bell, we have an exciting announcement. For a limited time only, we're giving you exclusive access to 3 Bell Potter stock reports each week delivered straight to your inbox. And as a bonus, you will go into the draw to win a share of 3 million Velocity frequent flyer points. The insights from these reports are something you can't find with any other online broker, and is what we use to provide you with our daily trading ideas and market analysis. Gain extra entries by joining Bell Direct and placing your first trade. This offer is available to investors new to Bell Direct. If you're an existing client, stay tuned as we'll have a Velocity frequent flyer announcement for you very soon. Refer to the description box below for more information and T's and C's. Now into the morning bell. Wall Street closed mixed as US Congress fractures the thought of a government shutdown. The US government has been dominating news headlines recently after a group of Republicans refused to support funding legislation until government agencies impose stricter board provisions, which has seen the US now facing a government shutdown. The tech-heavy Nasdaq closed Monday's session 0.67% higher, whilst the S&P 500 traded flat and the Dow Jones closed marginally lower. In terms of US stocks, Discover shares finished Monday up nearly 5%, with Nvidia and medical device manufacturer Insulet gaining over 3% yesterday. Over in Europe, markets closed lower on Monday, following the Stoxx 600 ending its worst performing quarter of the year. The UK's FTSE 100 retreated 1.28%, with the German DAX and the French CAC following suit, both closing just over 0.9% lower each. Locally yesterday, markets closed 0.22% lower, with the consumer staples and health sectors leading losses. This was, however, offset by a 0.64% rise in the utility sector. As for what to watch locally today, the Australian share market is set to open lower, with the SPI future suggesting a fall of 1.36% at the open this morning. In terms of economic data, the RBA will release their interest rate decision today, with economists expecting a hold at 4.1%, the same as September. On the commodities front this morning, oil is down 2.5% to $88.51 a barrel, following concerns about high borrowing costs that were highlighted by optimistic PMI results. Gold is down 1.11% to $1,827 an ounce after higher rates in the US reduces the appeal of the precious metal. And iron ore is flat at $119.50 following muted construction outlook in China. And now to end on some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter maintains a speculative buy rating on Cyclopharm and has increased its price target from $3.25 to $4.25 with a current share price of $2.83. The speculative buy rating is based off the expectation that there will be a strong revenue growth off a modest base over the next 3 years. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Transurban Group, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $12.67 to the range of $11.70 to $11.90 on a pattern formed over 6 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. We hope you have a great day, and as always, happy trading.